right, hello. We are going to, let's focus, okay. We're going to just go over ordered pairs and solutions. So here's what you need to know. This is very straightforward. Let me take a step back. When you have a line, here's our X and Y axes. When you have a line, you know a line is a line with arrows. A line without arrows is called a line segment. When you have a line, it has points on it. And you can see the points are on it. But let's say you want to know if the points are on it not only by eyeballing it and taking a look, but actually doing the algebra to see. Because you know that there is two parts of math. There's the picture, and then there's the words. Just like you might in life have a picture of a beautiful picture, and then you might see the word like this, literally, beautiful picture. There's a beautiful picture in this square, and then I've written this here. They are the same thing. It's just this is the words, and this is the picture, right? But they mean the same thing to you. Beautiful picture. Here, we do our words. So for example, y equals 1/2 x plus 2. And then we graph the line y equals 1 over 2x, or 1/2 x plus 2. And they mean the same thing. This is a picture of these words. Like this is a picture of these words. So let's get back to this. How do we know if a point is on a line? Well, let's say here it looks like the point 0, 2 is on this line. What we would do is we would go to this equation. Let's just skip below this beautiful picture business. Y equals 1/2 x plus 2. And we would sub in the point. We want to know if the point 0, 2 is a point on this line, not by looking at the picture, but by doing the writing. So we would replace x with, it's always x, y, alphabetical. We will replace x with 0 and y with 1. Y with 2. So 2 equals 1/2. X we're replacing with 0 plus 2. And then we have 2 equals 1/2 times 0. Well, anything times 0 is 0. And of course, you know that 0 plus 2 is 2. When the left side equals the right side, what that means is that that point is on that line. Okay? Now let's say you wanted to know what happens if you have two lines and you want to know if those two lines meet at that point. Well, let me ask you this. If we do this work and we see that this is a point on this line, and if we're given the equation for this line, like we were given the equation for this line, and we see that when we plug the point 0, 2 into this equation, that the left side equals the right side, then we would know if it's a point on this line and it's a point on this line, then it must be the point where the two lines meet. Anyway, I hope that makes sense to you. Have a great day.